Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths for All. So today we will learn about divisibility rule that will make our calculation more stronger. So here we will learn about divisibility rule of 2, divisibility rule of 4, divisibility rule of 8. Yeah, but you are thinking that where the divisibility rule of 3? We will make it another group like divisibility rule of 3, divisibility rule of 9. So this is number 1 group, this is second group, and here in third group divisibility rule of 3, divisibility rule of 9, and in fourth group we will learn about divisibility rule of 5, divisibility rule of 10, and the last group will be our sixth group. Here divisibility rule of what? And so what are the remaining is 6, 7, 11. So today we will learn this divisibility rule. So here you are thinking that why I am making this group, because it will be helpful for us to remember all the divisibility rule very easily. So first of all we will learn group 1, that means divisibility rule of 2, divisibility rule of 4, and divisibility rule of 8. So let's see. Okay, so I am learning about divisibility rule of 2, 4, 8, first group. So here I will just explain you. 2 to the power 1 is equals to 2, 2 to the power 2 is equals to 4, 2 to the power 3 is equals to 8, 2 to the power 4 is equals to 16, 2 to the power 5 is equals to 32. So why I am writing this one? So you can think, so we all are familiar about divisibility rule of 2. What is the rule of divisibility? What is the rule of divisibility rule of 2? So here in divisibility rule of 2 we know that if any unit digit is divisible by 2, then the total number will also be divisible by 2. Okay, so here you can think, just I am taking one example, 2, 1, 3, 4, 6, 8. So it is divisible by 2 or not, just we don't need to check the total number. Okay, so we just check last digit. Yeah, this is multiple of 2, and we know that all the multiple of 2 or all the even number is divisible by 2. Okay, so yeah, this is divisible by 2, divisible by 2. Okay, so let's see. So why I am writing this one? So you can think that here 2 to the power 1, here power is 1. In this, these are the base, these are the powers. So okay, so here base is 1, so 2 to the power 1 is 2. So if any number is divisible by 2 or not, what? Please note this carefully. If any number is divisible by 2 or not, then we have to check this power. So here the power is 1, so we have to check just last digit. So so here you can see that we are checking just last digit. Okay, so here, so also like this, if any number is divisible by 4 or not, then we have to check last two digit. And also if any number is divisible by 8 or not, then we have to check last 3 digit. If any number is divisible by 16 or not, then we have to check last 4 digit. just last 4 digit. If just if any number whose last 4 digit is totally divisible by 16, then the total number, whatever the number is total number is also divisible by 16. This is the rule. So this like on, and so so here same like this. So here if last 5 digit is divisible by 32, so then the total number is also divisible by 32. Okay, so let's see one example. If I am taking, so let's see this example again, 2 1 3 4 6 8. Okay, so here if this number is divisible by 4 or not, how can I check? So I already told you that just check last 2 digit. So here last 2 digit is what? Last 2 digit is 68. So 68 is divisible by 4? No, 4 16 just 64. Okay, 4 17 just 68. 4 17 just 68. Okay, so you can think that. So here you can see that last 2 digit is 68. So 60, if I divide 68 by 4, so what I will get? 4 1s are 4, 2 8, 4 7 and 4 7s are 28. So here 68 is totally divisible by 4. Then we can say that the total number is also divisible by 4. These are correct, these are correct. Okay, fine. Okay, let's check another number. So if I taking the same example, 2 1 3 4 6 8. So how can I check this number is divisible by 8 or not? Then you can see, you can think, you can see that we have to check last 3 digit. Last 3 digit is what? 468. Okay, so 468 is divisible by 8 or not? Let's check. 5 8 is 40, 6 68. So these are not completely divisible. Okay, not completely divisible. So here we can say that the total number is not divisible by 8. Okay, so we will learn about this one. So like this one, I am taking one more example, like any number 1 3 6 4 2 5 2, like this one. This number is divisible by 2. Yeah, right, because here unit digit is multiple of 2. This number is divisible by 4 because 52 is totally divisible by 4. So because 4 13 is 52, so total number is also divisible by 52. The total number is also divisible by 4. And the last one in this 252, is it divisible by 8 or not? So 252, 8 3 are 24, carry 1 1 to 12. So this is not divisible by 8. Okay, so the number is divisible by 2, the number is divisible by 4, but the number is not divisible by 8. Okay, so the first group is complete. I think it is totally clear for all of you. If you having any doubt, then you can comment. So you can ask it in comment section. Divisibility rule of 3 and 9. So let's see. It is very much easy. So 3 and 9. So let's see. So 1 3 4 6 5 8 9 2. Like I am taking a big number, so we have to check that this number is divisible by 3 or not. So what should I do? Just add all the digit. What? Just add all the digit. So we should add 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9 plus 2. So what we will get? 1 plus 3 4 4 4 is 8 8 6 14 14 5 19 19 9 28 28 up to 30. Okay, so we are checking cross again. 2 9 11 11 5 16 16 6 22 22 4 26 26 3 29 or 21 or 29 plus 1 30. So here we are getting 30. So is 30 is totally divisible by 3 or not? Yes, 30 is totally divisible by 3. So if the sum of the digit is divisible by, if the sum of the digit, the result of sum of the digit is divisible by 3, then the total number is also divisible by 3. Very simple is that. So what should I do? Let's take another example, like here 2 4 6 8 2 4 9. So here so what should I do? So just sum all the digit. So here 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 4 plus 9. So what we will get? 2 plus 4 6, 6 6 12, 12 8 20, 22 22 26 35. Okay, but 35 is not divisible by 3, right? 35 is not divisible by 3, then the whole number or total number is not divisible by 3. Okay, very simple. So divisibility rule of 9 is same like this. That's why I am I have taken it in same group. So what's the divisibility rule of 9? So let's take one example. 3 1 4 2 5 6 7 8. So we have a big number. So what should I do? Just check sum of the all digit. 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. What I will get? 4 4 4 8 10 15 21 28 36. Okay, 36 is divisible by 9. Yes, 36 is totally divisible by 9. So then we can say that the total number is also divisible by 9. Okay, it is similar like divisibility rule of 3. That's why we are we have taken this is same group. Okay, so these are also done. So now we will learn about divisibility rule of rule of 6. So what are the, so here you can see that 6, if we know that 2 into 3 is equals to 6. Okay, so these 2 and 3 are what? Co-prime number. What are co-prime number? If any two number is having HCF is 1, then it is called co-prime number. So 2 and 3 have no common factor. That's why these are the and so this HCF of 2 and 3 is 1. So that's why these are the co-prime number. So all co-prime number is divisible. All co-prime number the HCF of all co-prime number is always 1. So if if we check divisibility rule of 6, then we have to check the number is divisible by 2 or not, and also we have to check the number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay, so let's take another example. 2 3 4 6 5 1 2. This is divisible by 2, as just we have to check last digit, and last digit is multiple of 2. That's why it is divisible by 2. Okay, and what is the rule of divisibility rule of 3? So we have to check the sum of the digit. 2 plus 3 5, 9 6 15 20 21 23. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2. What I will get? 5 9 15 20 21 23. But this is not divisible by 3. Okay, so this is not divisible. So as these are the divisible by 2, but this number is not divisible by 3. Okay, not divisible by 3 but divisible by 2, but so the total number is also not divisible by 6. If any number is divisible by 6, then it have to be divisible by 2, and also it have to be divisible by 3. Okay, if any number is divisible by 2 and the number again is divisible by 3, then the total number is also divisible by 6. Okay, so divisibility rule of 7. So I am taking one example, 2 1 4 6 5 3. So what is the rule of divisibility rule of 7? So here just check last digit is what? 3. That means unit digit, it's 3. Whatever the last digit will be, we have to multiply it by 2. So what you will get? You will get 6. Okay, then you have to subtract this 6 to the remaining number. So what you have to do? 2 1 4 6 5 minus 6. So what you will get? Okay, so you will get 21459, and then you have to check the number is divisible by 7 or not. So 7 3 is 21 0, but these are not completely divisible by 7, so the total number is not divisible by 7. So what we are doing just whatever. Let's take a short example, that will be 2 1 3 4. Okay, so what you have to do, just here unit digit is 2 4, so 4 is you have to multiply it by 2. Okay, so what you will get? You will get 8. Okay, then what you have to do? You have to do the remaining number is 213, and then you have to subtract it from minus 8 from 8. So here you will get 205. So now you have to check the number is divisible by 7 or not. 7 to the 14 6 5, so it is not divisible. So you can think that total number is also not divisible by 7. Okay, so what we have done, so here we have done divisibility rule of 2, divisibility rule of 4, divisibility rule of 8, and divisibility rule of 3, divisibility rule of 9. Okay, I am here I am writing same again, so this is not, because I already write it here. Okay, so don't think about it. So divisibility rule of 5 and divisibility rule of 10, we already know that it is very easy. So if any unit digit is 5 or 0, then the total number is divisible by 5. But if any number is having the unit digit is 0, then the total number is divisible by 10. Like this one here unit digit is 8. These are not 0, so this is not divisible by 10. Okay, but here I am taking one more example. Okay, so here unit digit is 6. Unit digit is 6, but divisibility rule of 5 said that it has to be either 0 or 5, so it is not divisible by 213 235 6 0. This is divisible by 5. This is this is also divisible by 10, and if any number so as here the unit digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5 only. So what is the rule of divisibility rule of 10? Just the unit digit should be 0, and divisibility rule of 5 is unit digit must be 5 or 0. Okay, last one, divisibility rule of 11. So like 2 1 3 5 6 4, so it is divisible by 11 or not. Then what should I do? Just you have to add the digit, but you have to add even places and you have to add odd places. So here 2, after 2 after 2 you have to add 3, and then you have to add 6. Just take a gap of one place, and so here so the no number will become after 6. So what we'll get? 2 plus 3 plus 6, 11. Okay, what we'll get is 11, and then subtract the remaining digit, that is 1 plus 5 plus 4, 1 plus 5 plus 4. So what will get? 10. So and then you have to subtract this. Okay, so what will get? 1. But divisibility rule of 11 said that this should be either 0 or multiple of 11, but 1 is not multiple of 11, and this is not 0, then the whole total number is not divisible by 11. So let's take a short example, 1 2 1. So here you have to add 1 plus 1, so 1 plus 1, what we will get? 2, and 2 plus nothing, so here 2 is equals to 2. So what should I do? 2 minus 2, even places, and you have to subtract even places and odd places. So what will get? 0. So it is, if it is 0, then it is also it is divisible by 11. But if here 0, if you get 11 or 22 or 33, what is this? This is multiple of 11. So if after subtraction, if you get 0 or multiple of 11, then the total number is also divisible by 11. So this is all about divisibility rule of all the rule of divisibility. So I think it is clear to all of you. If anyone having any doubt, then you can ask me in comment section. I will definitely reply it. Thank you. That is all about today's lecture.